So just making my own RJ45 lead, just patch-through cables and whatever you want to use them for. I've been using it for my internet, I've been using it for the MVR, to access the MVR from a wide away from home, and anything like that that you're wiring through your router. So here goes. I've just hold it here as best I can. So excuse the weird method of using a pair of nail scissors, but I find it's perfect for this job. So literally trim it back, cut it round, tear it off, just make sure you don't cut any of these cables if you can help it, so you have to start again. What I need to do is take that middle core out. There's a little middle core, it's only there for separation and try and stop interference when you've got data going down each line. So I'll just cut that off, line these up in the order that it's needed. So we have, spin it round, orange and white, orange, so what I do is then after trimming them, try and get them straight as possible, get them as close together as possible because they need to be pretty straight for them to go straight into the RJ45 connector. What I'll do is I'll trim them down so they're perfectly flat. They need to be at the smallest one, so that they all go in. Just a little turning nick there. RJ45 connector, perfectly straight. Pins facing upwards. This is a difficult bit, you've got to just get it. So the green one slipped there, sorry. Can be a bit of a tight hold. Make sure you've got it lined up exactly right. There we go. If we can get it like that in, that'd be perfect. Should go pins up. That's it. Just have a quick check that they're all gone in. Check at this end so that you can see the tips. And what you do, shove it in. You need a crimping tool to be able to do this. It fits in to the crimping tool and you'll see the crimps this end. That'll crimp it down. And there's also a crimp here that goes and holds the cable in place. Slide that in. Make sure it's in position. Nice and tight. Crimp down. Now, what I tend to do is not pull it at that point, just in case. Because this is a cheap tool I've got. It's not the dearest one. So I'll turn it round, turn it over. Get the crimp tools at this end again. I'll just literally double check that I've put them in there nice and tight. For some reason it seems to work better. Check your tightness. And hopefully that's it. Do the same with the other end.